Alright, now to do the cleaning of the inside of the windows. Get folding broomstick, rag, tape. That way you don't leave your rag in the hole. Once you have your rag set up, make sure you put your PPE on because you're going to use acetone. Soak down your rag so you'll have something good to clean with. Now that you verified your rag won't come off, your rag's covered in acetone, you'll just start swabbing like you're packing off for an old rifle, old shotgun, or old cannon. Just now do your camera, check your ceramic lenses down inside. Just feed straight down. Down, feed your borescope down inside so you can get your lenses. Right here would be your lens. And then use your feet again for the second lens on the bottom.
Right, so once you've completed your visual inspection on your VX meter, you're going to need to fill out a form in KPA. So this will work from your desktop on your computer, or it'll work the same from your phone. When you open up the phone app, just go ahead and hit website, and then you'll get this exact same screen. So then you're going to come over to forms. You're going to scroll down until you get to VX forms. You'll click on that folder. And then you're going to go ahead and click on a VX meter visual inspection, and you'll go ahead and start filling it out. So you'll capture the date and time, who you are. If there's a job number, you're going to click the VX number. You'll put in the source serial number. If you need to do a survey, you can do it there. All right, you're going to go ahead and check off what you need to right here. Make sure everything's good. And then once you've taken those pictures of your ceramic windows, you'll go ahead and add those as well right here. If you have any questions about your torque specs, you can pull up the torque specs right here by clicking on this picture, and they'll tell you that your first step is 22 foot-pounds, your next is 45, then your next is 72, and then it shows you your torque specs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Once you get that done, if you have any questions or there's any concerns with the meter, you can go ahead and add a follow-up right here and then click submit.